In today's video, I will walk you through how to send money through PayPal without fee. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send money through PayPal while avoiding additional transaction fees by selecting the correct payment option during the payment process. After accessing your PayPal account, you'll normally arrive on the summary page. From there, look near the top section of the screen and select the option labeled Send and Request. This section is where PayPal places both payment sending and payment request options in one area. Once the Send and Request page opens, continue by selecting Send Money. You'll then be asked to enter the PayPal details for the person you want to send money to. Enter the email address connected to the recipient's PayPal account and continue to the next screen. The person receiving the payment must already have an active PayPal account connected to that email address for the transfer to go through successfully. After moving to the next page, enter the amount you want to send. You'll also see a field where you can include a note along with the payment if needed. Once the amount has been entered, choose the recipient's country or region of residence from the available list. Make sure all the payment details shown on the screen are correct before continuing. After reviewing the information, select Continue. PayPal will then ask what the payment is for. At this stage, you'll normally see two payment options. One option is for sending money to a friend or family member, while the second option is for paying for an item or service. To avoid additional transaction fees, choose the option for sending money to a friend or family member. The goods and services option may include transaction fees, so it's important to select the correct payment type depending on the purpose of the transfer. Once you select the friend or family option, PayPal will display the payment summary screen where you can review the final payment details before completing the transaction. When everything looks correct, select Send Payment Now. PayPal will then process the transfer using your available PayPal balance or another linked payment method connected to your account, such as a debit card or credit card. After the payment has been processed successfully, the money will be sent directly to the recipient's PayPal account, and the transaction will appear in your PayPal activity history. If you are using a mobile device, the process works in a very similar way. You'll still enter the amount, review the payment details, and select the friend or family option before completing the transfer. And that's how to send money through PayPal without fee. Thank you for watching.